welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and are growing like my vegetables. So today I'm going to be doing a demo video showing you guys how to start a small garden at home. So a lot of people have been asking me, like, how do I start a garden? Where do I buy my supplies? How do I mix this? What kind of seeds should I buy? You know, stuff like that. So today I'll be showing you where I buy my seeds, where I buy my soil mix, which is a potting mix, and where you buy seed trays, where you buy potting plants, and then these are the potting plants and your seeds. So today I'll be doing that with you guys so that you guys can also have your home gardens, whether you have a balcony or a small space by your windowsill that you can put some herbs around. They love the windowsill, so you don't need much space if you're going to start this small garden. All you need is some enthusiasm and you can be a plant parent. So without me talking too much, let's get this started. So what you're going to need is obviously some potting mix, seed trays, even an old container like a plastic ice cream tub, something that you can make holes at the bottom so that when you put your potting mix it can drain when you water your plants. You're going to need a couple of seeds, whatever seeds you like. Since we're going to winter right now, I wanted to try some winter crops. So if you don't know what winter crops are in your region, just Google and see what's going to go well with you. We're going to winter here in South Africa, so some squashes and some legumes are some of the things I'm going to plant. And you're going to need some potting containers, some equipment, your gloves, and some actually ready-made plants, herbs for you. Like they already have the soil potting mix done, and all you would have to do is just transfer it into the mix, into its pot. So let's do this. And if you want to buy also like the seedling trays, I've got these at Westpac. They have a section for gardening, so all you have to do, if you don't know anything, just ask one of their assistants to show you where the garden section is, and you can choose the seedling trays. Like these were very affordable. I think these were like 20 bucks. These were 5 rand, and that was 30 bucks I think. And these are your markers that you write and say this is a cabbage. Oh, this is also, these ones were like 2 rand. These were 5 rand I think, and these were 2 rand. Oh, these were 50 cents. But they were very, very cheap, you guys. So anyone can start and get themselves an easy garden supply. And I got this potting mix in my garden center around here in Midrand. You can, this goes about 40 something bucks. It's less than 50 rand though for a packet. So you can get huge amounts done from this size. You can start your seedlings here. And these are from Lava's Market. When you go to Lava's Market, at the entry they usually have a section for flowers and herbs and vegetables that you can buy already potted or in a plastic like this one, and all you just have to do is transfer them. So you don't have to be doing a lot of work. That's how I actually started with my garden. I would buy these already done herbs at Lovers Market, and then I just come to my garden and transfer them straight to my soil, and they did well. So all you have to do now is take your seedling.
process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that. I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that. there's some strange evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here